Hello friends, in this video I intend to teach you how to start depositing TRC20 on the Videforex website. You enter the advanced section. In this section, you select cryptocurrencies. You click on TRC20. Then you manually enter the amount you want in this section or select it, if it is available, in this section. For example, we select $55 and note that $10 is actually the deposit fee. After entering the information, you scan this barcode with your wallet, and finally, if you have a promo code, you enter it in this section and then click on I've made a deposit. As you can see, this amount is added to our account in less than a minute. And friends, to check your transaction history, you go to your account, you click on Transaction History, and in this section, you can see your transaction history. Good luck!